Okay, let's talk about the one command in nitro-cell that you would probably use more than any other relative to creo parametric, and that is going to be the model open command. So if we do a filter of our nitro-cell commands and look for the model open command, you will see here it is a very simple command. It only has really one option, but it is very powerful. So if I type in basket, basket.prt, and run that, you'll notice that it will load that model up and activate it as it's in session. This command works not just with your current working directory, but it will also leverage the search path within Creo Parametric if you have that set up within your config.pro. And if you're connected to Windchill and have a local workspace, it will pull models from there also. And if you do not have models in your local workspace, but they do exist in the Windchill common space, it will open those up and pull them locally for you automatically. So this is a very, very handy command, very flexible. And you can actually open it or use it with multiple files if you want to. So if we said, let's say I wanted to pull up a spider and then also maybe front plate. So when I run this, this is actually stepping through each of these execution statements here, and it's opening these up. And you'll notice that in session here, we have the three models in session. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add in another command here to erase memory, just so that we have a fresh session here for a couple of reasons. So if we came in and we said star plate dot or star.prt, I'm going to delete these other lines here, and we run this. It's going to erase memory first and then open anything that matches. Now you'll notice there's nothing active here on the final display. However, in session, those matched files were loaded and are available for addressing through nitro-cell functions. Another nifty thing you could do with this, let's take a look and see, do we have any drawings in here? Yeah, we do. So we'll say front plate demo.drw. Just to show you that this works with drawings, we can do that also, and you'll notice that it pulls up a drawing. And as another kind of nice thing, you can also use this with family tables. So I happen to know that there's a 12 millimeter screw as an instance within a family table, and it is a PRT file. And if I run that, you'll notice that it will actually open that instance. So this also works for nested family tables. So this function is very powerful. It is very common to use. There is a table variation of this function that you should definitely take a look at, because working with tables in nitro-cell is extremely powerful and actually quite a bit less work on the bigger scope of moving data back and forth with Creo.